Have you ever wondered why all computers are black? Motherboards are black, GPUs are black, monitors are black, even your keyboard and mouse are black. Based on our extensive research, over 90% of gamers are not satisfied with their computer setup colors and would love to make a change.
Color of computer setup you prefer the most? White, of course.
Some computer users have taken the initiative to change their computer colors on their own, but the results, less than ideal. At AORUS, we always put gamers first. After years of extensive R&D, we discovered a new color design that promises to get gamers excited once again. Our talented design team has spent countless hours integrating these colors to perfectly match our product design. Now, we're delighted to announce a brand new series of products that will delight gamers across the world. It's the world's first completely orange elite gaming PC. We invited a gamer to experience firsthand our state-of-the-art creation. After all, orange is the essence of our brand. We're confident that gamers across the world will come to love our strategic design decision. Pre-order now. Join the excitement and get your amazing orange AORUS PC today. The first 100 buyers will also receive this awesome gift, an exclusive AORUS Digimon Virtual Chibi. With the AORUS Digimon Virtual Chibi, you can even play against your AORUS GPU. You prefer orange over black? We can fix that. Act now to get your orange PC while supplies last. Don't forget to team up, orange on.